Hi everybody, SoCal Wood Gal here again for your second lesson, building a simple table. Has this ever happened to you? Oh yeah, that's right, I forgot about that. Oh, you're her roommate. Oh, I totally forgot about that.
Ronka!
Yeah. You guys, guess what? I started an Etsy shop. I'm selling trash that I found on the street, and it's kind of going pretty awesome. Peter, what have you been up to?
Me? Oh, well, I think I told you guys I recently went vegan. Yeah, it's super hard, but I'm at my ideal weight, so I guess it's worth it. Oh, and for the animal's sake, of course. Brittany, what are you up to?
Me? Oh, not going vegan, that's for sure. I don't know, but I stay busy.
You're always busy. What's new?
Oh, that's not fair, Peter. Sometimes I rest. Yeah, right.
That'll be the day. Why the cat and mouse? Tell us what's up.
Okay, fine. I built a coffee table.
A coffee table.
A coffee table.
You built it.
Yeah.
With your hands.
And power tools, yeah.
Let's see it.
You're literally standing right in front of it.
In front of it?
In front of it.
Where?
There.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh.
You did that. Brittany. Wow. You're like Michelangelo. You're a woodworking angel.
Man. Brittany, I totally underestimated you. It's incredible.
Thanks, Peter. Wow. So cool. I wish I had a coffee table. You guys like it. It's good.
It's awesome.
You're so lucky.
Can I take it home?
You can't have the table. Peter, it's mine.
Cool, just thought I'd ask.
No? Well, let's fix that. Today's class is all about tables. We'll start with the why and the types of tables, planning your table dimensions for your space, sketching your table, gathering your tools and your wood, making your cuts, assembling your table, and types of finish. This class is for anyone interested in building their own table. No prior experience is required, but you do need some basic tools: a drill, saw, measuring tape, eye, ear, and lung protection, and a speed square.
Oh.
Optional tools include a miter, circular, or jigsaw, a pocket hole jig, and glue. If you need some more guidance, please don't skip out on Class 1, Setting Up Your Woodshop. I go over everything you'll need for this project. These classes are meant to build upon each other.
Ooh.
One of my first builds when I set up my woodshop was a Pottery Barn style coffee table. That's the one that you saw in my overproduced short film that won the Tribeca Film Festival Audience Choice Award.
Yahoo!
What's that? A short film is far too much effort for a Skillshare class on woodworking? Impossible. Moving on. Join me because today you're going to build a simple table.